Well, morning everybody. As you can see and probably hear my little tent, we've got rain. Who'd think it in England, rainy? Lovely and damp. Everything's getting lovely and damp. Even my old camera yellow in a splash of rain. Oh, excuse me. Very damp today. Little ones aren't coming out as much. These raindrops must feel absolutely huge on those tiny little heads. There we go, somebody's yellow. Hello little one. Maybe it rain for a bit of food. Sun ducks back in once the raindrop hits his little head. Soggy mice. Need to make some little towels, won't we? Little umbrellas and towels. Yep, everything's soaking wet. Yep, at least it's nice and dry inside for you. It's a cosy little bed, place is wide. It's warm and dry in this weather. They're a little bit more drier. This tent's not doing its job. May have to get a new one soon. We'll be back, little one. Nope, I'm gone again, look. Another raindrop on head and does a runner. It's like I'll be sat here hours trying to get one or two photos at this rate. Things we do to entertain others, eh? There we go. Soggy garden. Good old English weather.